Good morning everybody and welcome back. I'm back out here at Bomber County Classics again. So we're just going to take a bit of a walk around and see what's here. Let's hope my camera doesn't play up again today like it has been doing. So right, so you've got a GTM, that's the first vehicle. And next door to that you've got an old Rover Metro. Sure, a lot of people might remember them. So there you go, Notson Links Classic Car Club, Trent Valley Mini Owners Club, excellent. So put that on for definite. It's really nice as well, this GTM K3. There's not as many here today as what there would normally be, so unless any more turns up. So that's a 114 GTA. Let's spin round, we'll get down to the Moggies. Can't beat an old Moggy, everyone. Look at that, how stunning these Moggies are. I love to see these, I really do. And you've also got this little one as well, and it's got wood down the side, so basically it's like a little traveller. Yeah, they're really nice. Absolutely stunning Moggies. And of course you've got this one, we've seen this one before, but it's not a problem. But it is still what it is, and it's still absolutely stunning. All three of them. Bit of mud. Come to this and bonnet's up on this one. So get the camera in.
You just think the amount of engineering that's
beautiful little car that for an MG. Stunning little motor, everybody. It really is.
I got my car to
I think we've already filmed this one before, if I'm not mistaken. I'm sure we have. Don't say.
The motorbike in the window and it's there again.
That's all right. Well, it's there again.
I don't know anything about electrics. Trying to find an auto electrician is almost impossible.
Yeah.
Because everything now is put a diagnostic machine, plug a new relay in or something like that.
Years and years ago, I did do some work.
Ah, yes, I do remember. So, motorcycle is obviously still for sale. 1971 Triumph 650 Tiger TR6. So if anybody wants one, there's a nice little motorcycle there for sale. So yeah, get in touch. Get in touch with that guy and buy yourself a nice little motorcycle. Really nice car as well though. Oh, it comes to a nice little Triumph. Beautiful little motor to see as well. Then got a Rover, I think this could be the 75. Well, that is also nice as well. And we know a little bit about this Triumph. We explained it on one of the other videos. Well, the gentleman really explained it anyway. Very low mileage. I believe it is on this one. Very low mileage on it. But it is still nice for what it is, a Triumph. Another MG. Little convertible one. Now come to this big beast. Ford. Split screen. Let's get round the back of this. I don't know if we got round the back last time on this. Might have done, not certain. It's really nice though, because it's big and bulky. Yeah, so at the moment there's not that many, and it's only about 11 o'clock now, I think it is. Looks like we've got an Opal as well, next door to this wonderful Saab. Yeah, really nice that for a left-hand drive. Yeah, little Saab. And then we'll come to the Opal. It's really nice to see as well. I don't think we filmed this last time, but we could have done. Not a guarantee, as we do fill that many classics. Nice little Volvo. G-plate. Lovely colour on that one as well. We just missed a VW camper actually, which was just going out as we was just pulling in. Oh, the Rubicorn's here. Got to take a look at that. We saw this little Mini coming in. Mini Clubman. Lovely little colour in it as well. Yellow. Yeah, it's nice for a little Clubman, there is. Now this car, we obviously know this car because we know exactly where this come from. And we have filmed this one as well. And it is a beautiful car. So we know exactly where that's come from, but it is beautiful. Little Alpha. Really nice as well, Larry's. It's got a big bloody Vauxhall. Look at the size of it. Do like the front end of it though. It's got that like a really, you know, hey, look at me look. Especially like with the two intakes. Really nice. Now, this Cosworth, we have seen this Cosworth. And it was at another car show. And it's going back a while, but we've filmed it in between all that as well. But yeah, still stunning for a Cosworth. Lovely car that is. Good old Cosies. Now come to a nice little Triumph. I like the spokes on this as well, spoke wheels. Absolutely lovely spokes they are. But yeah, that is a nice car that. Oh, there's some more coming in. Quickly spin the camera. Well, and one more at the moment, but we'll get them as well. Nice little Triumph. And I've got a Spitfire just at the side of me, so we'll take a look at the Spitfire as well. Two litre. Nice. And then there's a little Spitfire. Very nice. Austin Healey. Sprite. Nice for a little Sprite, that. Let's have a look inside as well. Let's get the camera in. Yeah, absolutely lovely. Yeah, like the colour of this. Like a cream. Oh, so we've got a Stag coming in as well. Nice for a Jag. I actually thought that was a Daimler to begin with, but obviously it's not. That's the Jag. What's this one? Volvo B18. Let's have a look at the tax disc on this one. Hey, it's got a skeleton in. January 1963, £15 road tax. That is absolutely chuffing cheap. Very, very cheap, that is. No. 544. Skeleton. Hey. Hello everyone. Turn the camera to him. Yeah, you can't beat it, can you? Nice for a little Volvo anyway. Sport. Yeah, a little sport that. And the Jag, it's an XJ Sport. Didn't realise. It's an XJ Sport. And Keely's just enjoying a nice cuppa. Can't blame her. Yeah, let's get over here to these two now. Let's take a look. White wheels. Austin A40. Yeah, very nice. And come over to the Stag. Triumph Stag. Nice colour. That's something just going out. Yep. So that one's just going out then, so we'll just catch that. Yeah, there's not that many here at the moment. You just never know. Right, let's go to the Rubicon as well, go and take a look. Ooh, sounds beefy as hell. No, I don't know. Sounds very, very beefy. Yeah, come over to the Rubicon and take a look. Like I said, there's not that many here, but then again, I mean, it does keep raining, so that'll be another reason why a lot of people probably won't turn up today while we're here. That is really nice though, that is, honestly, do really like that one. Lovely. Well, and then we'll come over to this Ford. Starter handle on it as well, look. Honestly, it's very different. Look at that, look. Nice though, it really is. And then we've got a Chevy van at the side of us. We have filmed the Chevy van before, but we haven't filmed inside the Chevy. So we're going to do that today, I think. So here's the Chevy van. It's nice though. So this is the first time I've actually seen inside the Chevy van. Very, very first time. So we'll get round to the side door and stuff. And we'll have a look. With a walnut dash going off. Another one with this skeleton in. Hey, Skelly. I'll tell you what though, it's bloody big inside. I've got to give credit. It's massive. Yeah, definitely some walnut dash going off in there. Even got a little CD player just there as well. That's brilliant. Different. Chevy 1500. $19.99. Now we'll come to the truck. Harry the truck. And we've definitely seen this one. Oh, got another one coming in. Take a look at that as well. Let's get the camera in. Alright, young man, you alright, lad?
Yeah, good, sir.
Good. Yes, nice. And then just on the back, got a little Land Rover as well. Now this one, we saw this at Gainsborough, down in Marshall's Yard, this truck. It's going back a bit of a while. Yes, it's a bit of a while when we last saw it. And then got a little hot rod.
When you go towards the
So come around the front of the hot rod. Oh, he's got his bonnet up this time. We'll get the camera in.
Ford Flathead V8.
It's a hell of a thing. Original engine from brand new.
Yeah.
So that engine went in there from 1949.
So yeah, so like I say, everyone, we filmed this truck down at Marshall's Yard. It's a beautiful truck. Absolutely beautiful truck. Oh, we've got a Mustang coming in. GT. Right, we'll spin around to the hot rod now. How is everybody? All right? Yeah. Doing what I normally do, keeping busy, giving us both something to do. Yeah. Yeah, just to let everybody know a little bit of history on this hot rod. Just talking to the owner. Been stood for what, about 7 years? Thereabouts. And look at it, it's brought to life now and it's in bloody good condition. But then again, it is Bomber County Classics and that's what they do.
It'll be getting a full restoration over winter.
There you go, everyone. It's going to have a full restoration over the winter period. But of course, Emma and her wife, that's what they do. They do this kind of stuff. What's that, spaceship? Yeah, it is. Electric. So yeah, like we said, this is going to have a full restoration over the winter. It's absolutely lovely. It really is. Look at that. Beautiful inside. Sort of stunning. So yeah, so what we're looking at this time is not what we're going to be looking at probably next time.
If you want to make a chocolate, it's just what you want. Yeah. 250. But if you kept your structure, I said I want to keep it original.
Yeah, absolutely stunning. Really is.
But
Got a little head hanging out of there as well. Yeah, absolutely brilliant. I do like it. Yep. What a nice little hot rod, eh? Not dead gorgeous, that one. Yeah, it's beautiful. Right, so we'll take a walk over here because that Mustang's coming. Hi, you all right? Just been talking to the owners, everybody, of the Mustang. They are wonderful people. We're going to re-show the Mustang anyway. We're going to go over here. It's a beautiful Mustang. Of course, why would it not be? It is a Mustang at the end of the day. And we do see this car quite a lot. Especially like here anyway. Keely's just over there just enjoying a coffee. And here it is. Nice big black, gloss black, gorgeous Mustang. It's a beautiful car. Bit of carbon fibre. Looks like my camera's playing up again. Nothing bloody unusual, is it? But yeah, stunning. And like I said, they're wonderful people. They are absolutely brilliant people that owns that Mustang. Right, let's get down here then to this Range Rover, because you don't normally see many of these in this shape. You don't normally see them up and down. But that one of them people owns a black Mustang. Yeah, recognise it straight away. But yeah, this is absolutely nice. This it's proper jobby as well. Tell you what though, it's bloody clean. Can I just squeeze past, gentlemen, please? I don't want to interrupt you talking. Thank you. Yeah, it is nice that. I do like it. Oh, there's some more coming in. There's some more coming in. I'll have to get there as well. Tell you what though, this is very, very nice inside. Very nice. Very, very clean as well. Stunning. Alright, what's coming in? Oh. Alright, so we'll get round to the Beamer as well. Yeah, there it is. But yeah, that is nice. Still like that. Alright, so got a lovely Beamer. Tell you what, that's nice. Like the exhaust on that's a bit different. Oh, it's a left-hand drive. Did not realise. Yes, it's a left-hand drive. Wow. Didn't realise it was. Tell you what though, it's nice. Let's get round the front and then we'll take a look at the Moggy Traveller. Because I do like my Moggies. Yeah, that is really nice that. Stunning. A little Beamer. Left-hand drive as well, eh? Then come to a little Moggy Traveller. No, I like to see Moggies, really do. Stunning little cars. First one I've seen on a left-hand drive, pal, just to quickly point out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so everybody, we're just going to look in this Beamer. Left-hand drive, like we said, it's automatic. Did not realise that either, but it is. But I'll tell you what, yeah, looks comfortable in there, isn't it, actually? Alright, let's get underneath the bonnet, everyone. Let's take a quick look. Yeah, pretty clean as well. Very clean underneath there, lad. Yeah, well done. But yeah, just let everybody know that it's one hell of a nice car. For a left-hand drive Beamer, definitely. Right, anyway, so lovely Mustang, like we said. But yeah, that is a really, really nice Beamer. I do like that. The bonnet's up on the Range Rover, so I'm just going to quickly just pop the camera in, and we're just going to have a look underneath the bonnet.
Yeah, fun again. Muck everywhere.
Absolutely wonderful Range Rover, like we said. Clean, very, very clean inside. So I just want to quickly point that out, and I do like the colour inside as well. It's different. But yeah, nice little classic. Beautiful. That's the Saab going out, everybody. You can just see in the distance. Right, so we're going to be getting ready to wrap this video up. It's blowing out for rain. So, yeah, so we're just going to take one last quick walk around. And then we're going to get ready to wrap this video up and get out of here. Like we said, there's not many here. Obviously, that's obviously due to the weather. And there is another big show tomorrow, which is out in Doncaster. So if you didn't know, then I thought I'd just quickly point it out. So we're just going to take another walk down the lines. If any more turns up while we're here, then I'm sure we'll grab some footage. But up to now, it's like 11:45. There's nothing else turned up. But anyway, like we said about that motorcycle, we'll just quickly re-show that as well. So if anybody does want a nice motorcycle, there's one for sale. Right, I'll just crack on then. Yeah, I think that's the same Triumph with a very, very low mileage. I'm sure it is. So that's the lovely MG with the Opal. Just to my left, and the Volvo. So that's them. So I say we'll just go back down the line. That is really nice, all that Rubicon do like that. So that says little Clubman. There is a BMW as well. So we'll just quickly show the Beamer. And of course, coming up to the Cosworth. Absolutely stunning. Do like that Triumph though with the spoke wheels. It's really nice. So yeah, we're going to get ready to wrap this video up. I'm going to head off today. We're not going to make life too much longer out here today at all. That's the one with the skeleton in. A bit different. So then, of course, then you got your Range Rover. You got a nice Stag. And then, of course, you do have that absolutely drop dead, stunning Mustang GT. Beautiful car, that. Beautiful. And then you got your little Mini. And then back to the left-hand drive Beamer. We've had a look in there, been underneath the bonnet. It's all beautiful to look at. Here comes to the Moggy. Absolutely wonderful. Yeah, it is really nice, that. And then you got another Beamer just here as well. So let's take a quick look around this one. It's a 320 CI, still nice though. So really nice that is. And then we'll just quickly come back over this side, back down the line, and then we're going to wrap it up and we're out of here. So I'm back to the Rubicon. It is nice though. Big and bulky, let me tell you, but it is beautiful. Stunning. And then I come back to the old Ford as well. And of course, back to the Chevy van, 1500. And we'll just pop back round to the wagon, take one last look at that as well. And then little hot rod as well. It's yeah, it's really nice, that. Beautiful it is. Do like it. Really, really do like that. Let's get a quick picture of that anyway. And then of course, take one quick look at the little hot rod belonging to Emma and her wife. It's what it is. Got a little skull on the window. It's yeah, like we said, it's nice little hot rod. It's alright. So there's a big thumbs up from me, big thumbs up from Keely. There's again a picture of that. Yeah, beautiful little hot rod. So right, bye for now, and we will see everybody hopefully on the next one. So I'll just quickly spin the camera. Like I said, there's nothing else coming. So yeah, there you go. So right, bye for now. See you on the next one.